guys, Sandy Ingram here, your hostess here on Budget Retirement Options, where we discuss affordable real estate in retirement communities, cost of living information for offshore retirement destinations around the world, and supplementing our retirement income online. Now, let's take a look at one of the top hotels located on the Pacific Ocean western seaboard in Acapulco, Mexico. I am here for the weekend filming the hotel and enjoying time away from my home office. I don't yet understand how to work my new GoPro action camera. But until I learn how to master this little monster, we will have to settle for my old camera and technique of filming. I have a lovely condo in Old Town Acapulco, overlooking the bay and the city from across the bay. I decided to celebrate my birthday weekend at one of Acapulco's most expensive hotels. When you book 3 to 4 months in advance and you let the hotel management know that you will be reviewing the hotel for your YouTube audience, the price suddenly goes down, or you get a magnificent upgrade. I got an upgrade, and the hotel bill is right around $312 for 3 nights, all-inclusive package. Opted for the all-inclusive package so I would not have to budget for my meals or my drinks. Everything, including my PENA coladas, were included. No one counted my drinks. I just ordered and signed. As you can see from your screen, the hotel is a wonderful resort and pays close attention to details. Health-wise, I felt safe, except when the guests insisted on getting on the elevator when the sign clearly says only 4 people at a time in the elevator. I politely had to get off overcrowded elevators a couple of times. You must remember, very few people in Mexico were vaccinated at the time this video was uploaded. Overall, it was a wonderful 3 days. There was no English-speaking channels except Fox News International on the cable TV system. Maybe there were more channels and I just didn't understand how to access them. I was buzzed from my pina colada encounters, so it didn't matter. I ordered room service once, which you have to pay extra for when you're on the all-inclusive package. But the garlic shrimp, I would say the food buffet and the room service is above average. The hotel is beyond clean. Now, balcony life in Mexico is so much more than just a place that you enjoy for a few moments a day. It is considered like another whole different room, and I utilized my balcony here at the condo completely and totally. There was no patio furniture, and the sign on the balcony rail at the hotel said both in Spanish and English, asked you not to use furniture from the inside of the hotel room on the balcony. No problem. I just go down to the plaza and watch the waves from the hotel restaurant. As long as I'm working, a percentage of my expenses are tax deductible on my U.S. tax return. So you see, that is another reason to consider starting a YouTube travel channel.